So we're going Christmas tree shopping, but we're not gonna even be home for Christmas. Hello, friends. It's me and Pop. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Like, what, did he not see us?
How long does it really last?
So we're looking at Christmas trees. I don't know if we're gonna really get a real one, but this one is so pretty. But they're all like real Christmas trees. That's like so cool. We have a red one. So
I know, man. Shit.
it's like so cool. I didn't even know that they made like colored Christmas trees.
$700.
How? Wait, what?
Does that come with a gift?
For you, man.
What kind of gift that come with?
All right, I'm ready to go and get ice cream.